Hello and welcome to Orissa Post Live. We're watching the news roundup of the day with Lopita. Let's have a look at the top stories.
4 more students of Ramadevi Women's University in Bhubaneswar tested positive for COVID-19 Sunday. With the fresh infection, the total number of COVID-19 positive cases reported from the university has gone up to 9. In view of the surging COVID-19 cases across India, the National Testing Agency in New Delhi Sunday postponed the April session of JEE Main for this year. Looking at the present situation of the COVID-19 pandemic and also taking into account the safety and well-being of the candidate and examination functionaries, it has been decided to postpone the JEE Main 2021 April session, a circular issued by NTA stated. In connection with gangster Haidar's escape, Commissionerate Police has arrested 3 more persons including a woman. We have arrested 3 more persons in this connection. They have been identified as Archana Parida, Imran from Jobra area and Rais from Kendrapara. All are associates of Haidar. Cuttack DCP Pratik Singh said at a pressure held here Saturday night. Smuggling of minor minerals has been going on at a large scale in Badasahi Tehsil of Mayurbhanj district, locals have alleged. Several residents of the locality Sunday took up the issue with Mayurbhanj collector Vinit Bharadwaj. According to locals, mafias have been using fake permits to transport the minerals to various parts within outside the district. Even though they have been earning handsomely, Badasahi Tehsil administration has closed its eyes to the issue. At least 6 COVID-19 patients died in the ICU of a government hospital in Madhya Pradesh, Shahdol, due to low pressure in medical oxygen supply, an official said Sunday. The incident took place at the Government Medical College Hospital here on the intervening night of Saturday and Sunday. Congress leader Rahul Gandhi Sunday cancelled all his public rallies in poll-bound West Bengal following a rapid rise in COVID-19 cases in the country. He also advised all other politicians to think about the consequences of holding large public rallies. The daily coronavirus positive rate in India in the last 12 days has doubled to 16.69%, while the weekly positive rate has increased to 13.54% in the past 1 month, the Health Ministry said Sunday. India reported a record 261,500 new coronavirus cases and 1,501 deaths on Sunday, while active cases have surpassed the 18 lakh mark, the ministry data stated.
That's all for today. Keep watching Orissa Post Live for all latest updates.